Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. And if you are new, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Today I will be showing you how to play a popular Jamaican game, ludo board game. Of course, I made this like months ago. You can see the tutorial on my channel. I may have to do it again because I probably didn't do a great job at it. Anyways, this is a ludo board game. I've had it since, and I hadn't gotten a chance to play it because I just don't have anyone to play with. So today I will be showing you how to play a ludo board game by yourself, okay? So if you're like me, living in a country where you're like probably the only foreigner in your community or your neighborhood or your city, and you really can't just call your friends like, "Well, come play two ludo game, wanna depend, wanna go with." Hey, come on over, let's play a ludo board game. You gotta find some ways to lively up yourself, right? So today we've got our stacks check, some pocky, strawberry flavor, which is really nice. We got some dice, and of course you can choose any snacks. Dice is a must, okay? We have two pairs. We only need a pair, and we need markers. These are like, they can be anything, erasers. Today I'll be using coins. Of course, in Jamaica we call them man. This is now a man. The man them don't want to call them man, but this is our man. Man them I could probably say markers or girl. Alright, so let's start the game, and what you do is place your markers in whichever area you'd like to start. So we have, for me, I use country for my ludo board game. Of course you can use anything. You can use food, fruits, whatever you like. Flowers, girls, boys, fruits, it's your board, however you want to name them. For those persons who don't know how to play the game any at all, then you will learn something today, I hope. If you are new to this channel, thank you for coming over. Please subscribe and like and share my videos so that more people can come on board and join the One Big Arrow family. If you're not new, of course, I welcome you over and over again. Thanks for coming back. Thank you very much. All right, so we've got our markers, and today I'm just going to be using two players to demonstrate. I'm going to be using me and myself. All right, so me has chosen Japan because I'm living in Japan, and myself has chosen Jamaica because I want to go to Jamaica. Of course, the other two players would have chosen anywhere else. That's right here just to keep me company too while I play, because sometimes we like to have beer or whatever the case may be when we're playing. All right, so let's get into it. So first you want to throw on your dice a 6, and this is what the 6 looks like. All right, not 4 plus 2, not 5 plus 1, not 3 plus 3. You need to get like a solid 6 before you can start moving around the board. And what we call is born. When you throw the 6, you're born. So let's see who will start first, if it's Jamaica or Japan. We're in Japan, so janken game is used for almost everything. So let's do the janken game.
I call you janken pong. I call a shot. I call shot.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, Japan won. All right, so Japan will start. So let's try to get a 6 on one of the dice. You don't need to get on both. Yes, so Japan got 6, 3. Japan will start. And the born section is the gate. We call it the gate. Is usually like one step ahead of the first block. So this is where Japan starts with 1 man or marker. Jamaican men would say no, girl. And then the 3 is moving 1, 2, 3 places ahead. Now it's Japan's turn again, because usually once you get a 6, you get another chance. All right, so Jamaica is so nervous. Let's see some the game has just started. It's so fun. Oh my god, Japan 6-1. So Japan can choose to use this man to continue moving around, But the wise thing to do is to board another man, because in this game you have some rivalry and some combat. So the more soldiers you have on the board, the better it is for you. So Japan has decided to board this one with 6 and 1. Japan got 6, so Japan will throw again. And Japan got 3 and 1. In this section, Japan can decide whether he wants to move 3 with one of the soldiers and 1 with the other, or the entire 4 spaces with just 1. So Japan has decided to use the front one to just go 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how you count the spaces, you don't count from where you're at, you count from the space ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's Jamaica's turn. Double 3. So no 6. So Jamaica cannot board. Japan's turn. Jamaica. Still not born yet. Japan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Japan has gotten 4 plus S. We call number 1 S. So Japan has the opportunity to lock the players like this. If Jamaica comes around, because the aim is to go around the entire board and to come back into this space. This is Japan's place of home. And if all 4 markers get here, what we call heaven, then the player wins. So Japan can try to block Jamaica from going all the way around by locking the men like this. And as you can see, you need like special numbers and movements to get that done. But at this point, Japan doesn't need to do that because Jamaica is not even born yet. Now it's Jamaica's turn. Sometimes if the dice goes off the board, the players will say, you're out. You can't get another throw. But in this case, because it's me and I playing, it's fine. But still, Jamaica didn't get a 6, so it's now Japan's turn. 5. Japan. So Japan has been, oh my god, Japan got a double 6. So Japan has decided to burn all the other 2 men. I like how Japan are winning. Japan get another throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once Jamaica comes on the board, Japan can be more careful about how the men spread out and try to lock up and stuff like that. But Jamaica is not on the board yet, so Japan still can just pull off and go around free and nice and easy. And the aim is to bring on all 4. In this game too, what can happen is that if Japan is open, Jamaica is born and throw and come all the way around and land on the space where Japan is, then this man dies and have to go back, right? So that's one of the things we try to keep. It's non-violently, but yeah. S, double S, so Japan's moving 2 spaces, now it's Jamaica's turn. Jamaica now, I want what? 6, 5, oh, Japan I win someone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more turn for Japan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. I'll be a 6 Japan and get yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So can you see? Japan is taking around all the men. But if they come to Jamaica's territory, they are in danger because once Jamaica comes out, Jamaica can flip them off. That watch me. Bias. Jamaica's turn. Ooh, 1, 6, 2. One more show. 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Jamaica can decide if they want to run down Japan to you know, pursue and try to take these men off the board. or they can decide to born. So let's see what's gonna happen. Now it's Japan's turn. Now Japan has seen that Jamaica is born, and Japan will try to secure his men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. There's a lock right there, but these other two men are outside. Jamaica is still not much of a threat, still far away, and still have a few men off the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Now if Jamaica even comes here, Japan is so secure. There's 3 men right here. Japan show again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing that can happen is that the player can try to, this lock that you've accomplished, can try to do it on the opponent's gate. We call this the gate, the born section. So if the player has the lock on the opponent's gate, the opponent cannot be born, whether they throw a 6 or not. There are many different rules. People will have their own variations depending on who it is that is playing, but there are some general rules that we observe. Another key thing that I must point out too is the players can decide to whether they want to take one man or one player, one marker up into heaven, or they need to have a lock on the heaven's gate before they can go in. That's usually decided by the players. If they want to be like running, you just throw, get all the marks and go on all the way around and go up, or you want to do lock on stop, which the stop is heaven's gate right here. In this case, we're just gonna do running because it's just me and myself playing. Okay, whose turn is it? I think it's Jamaica's turn. Oh, so Jamaica wants to get all the men out because Japan is coming around and Japan can lock on this gate, and if that's done, they can't get the men out again. So 1, 2, lock. Even though Japan is really not a threat at this time. Oh, it's 6-3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what Japan has done is dangerous because if Jamaica is born, Jamaica can just say, you understand? But Japan has decided, see? Go back. 1, 2, 3. Japan decided to do that because he wants to lock on Jamaica's gate. It's a risk, but you know, it's a soldier thing. So I just saw the thing set up. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Japan turn. Woi, one back. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back Jamaica. You're mad. Watch it. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, run 8, man. Must get you. Use 1 man and come try, you know. What about 3 candle? 1, 2, 3. Japan turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can't catch me. See them gone left, you know. I try lock on your gate, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jamaica turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is gonna carry on until we just lick. Bond back, try to run around until all 4 men end up here. So let's see who's gonna be the winner. Stay tuned. You're carrying all your man too easy before come for you. I use this any amount me get me, I use this to come around for you. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more throw. How much we need left for 1 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double 6. Come for my dice. No 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You still have 3 more to catch a year, boy. I run here, run no. 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it though. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Boom, man, lock on my gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple lock. Hey boy. Yeah, kiss then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 palmy dice. 7 palmy dice. Alright, man, move up closer to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 with that one. And 2, 3, 4 with that one. Yeah. Watch me. I said the game hot. Boy, you now come off Jamaica gate, you know, but it's him might go in. Because if him pass him, stop, before go around again. So this is where he's supposed to go in. One packet on L. Game hot, brother. If I turn Jamaica can't ban. You see, you wait till as my ban me. Alright. Let me run in quick because you know at in here so I'm going to Japan, I go in here. So jeez, I feel up before you go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm 3 man them I go around still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, Japan turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, man. Bring in a man. Okay, you get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Better make sure you get back a lucky nice and dead. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your door. Wait. Ban up, ban up, ban up, ban up. 4 those. Alright, 6 going. 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jeez, peace. I still have the one that escape. You know, boy, escape. Boy, escape. 5 going here, so. 1, 2, 3, 4 going here, so. Alright, you still. You left him out. Ban up, ban up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't even know when we are running. If I can't. Boy, get to him, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh God, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for win. Alright, my turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your true. Over 6. I don't want that. I'll go mistake. 5. Japan win. Jamaica, what do you want to win now? Alright. Play again. As you hello family. Now when you get a 6, you get an opportunity to throw again. When you get a 6, you get another chance. All right, and this is a 6. Everyone I think knows that oh sorry, that's 5. This is a 6. Okay, what we're trying to accomplish here is to get the actually we're supposed to be using 4 markers. I don't have that video yet. Sure.